Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Winja Yunitia sebagai bawang merah dalam cerita Bawang Merah dan Bawang Putih.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Luna Cantika, saya sebagai Ibu Tiri dalam cerita Bawang Merah dan Bawang Putih.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Bunga Anggun Pertiwi sebagai Bawang Putih dalam cerita Bawang Merah dan Bawang Putih.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Janita Pertiwi, saya sebagai nenek dalam cerita Bawang Merah dan Bawang Putih.
A long time ago, lived a widow with two daughters named Bawang Merah and Bawang Putih. But Bawang Putih is her stepchild, so Bawang Merah and her mother would treat Bawang Putih like a servant. Every morning, her stepmother and Bawang Merah took turns shouting.
Bawang Putih, wash my clothes.
Oh, okay, Mom.
One day, Bawang Putih went to the river to wash clothes. She was sleepy and hungry. Her body was weak. While washing, Bawang Putih didn't realize that her stepmother's fabric shawl had washed away.
Mother favorite is gone. Oh no! It's drifting down very far. How I didn't go home, Mother. No fault me.
When Bawang Putih looking for the scrap, she met a grandmother who lived near the river. The old grandmother will give a red scrap with one condition: Bawang Putih must help her first. Then Bawang Putih agreed.
Excuse me, Grandma. Did you see a red scrap?
Hi dear, what's your name?
My name is Bawang Putih, Grandma.
Bawang Putih, this is the right scrap you are looking for, but you must help me first.
For sure, Grandma.
All day, she helped the grandmother cook, look for firewood, clean the house, and wash clothes. Finally, it was time for Bawang Putih to leave for home. The grandma gave her the shawl.
Bawang Putih, this is the right scrap you are looking for. I want to give you a gift, a pumpkin for you because you helped me. Choose which one you like.
I choose the small one, Grandma.
On the table, there were both small and large pumpkins. Bawang Putih chose a small pumpkin because she also had to carry a basket full of clothes home.
Okay, take this great pumpkin. But remember, you can open the pumpkin until you get home, you understand?
Well, Grandma, I will do everything you say.
Arriving at home, Bawang Putih was scolded by her stepmother and Bawang Merah.
Where have you been, Bawang Putih? How dare you go out without my permission?
Forgive me, Mother. I was...
Stop and knock, Bawang Putih. We don't need your excuse.
Bawang Putih then go to the kitchen, took the knife and split the pumpkin. What a surprise! The pumpkin was full of sparkling and expensive jewelry.
Where did you get the pumpkin?
Bawang Putih, you should have chosen a large pumpkin. It would have had more jewelry. Hearing the words of Bawang Merah, the stepmother finally got the idea.
Looks like I have an idea.
The stepmother tell Bawang Merah to do the same things as Bawang Putih. Sang then lived with the old grandmother for 1 week. After Bawang Merah finished their work at the old grandmother's house and said goodbye, the old grandmother gave the shawl to Bawang Merah. On the table, there are 2 pumpkins, one large and one small.
Choose one pumpkin as a gift from me.
Of course, I choose the big one, Grandma.
Remember, don't open the pumpkin before you get home.
Yes, Grandma, that's for sure. I will go home first, Grandma. Bawang Merah arrived at her home. The stepmother then split the big pumpkin. They were impatient to get their hands on jewelry inside. Mom, I dropped the big pumpkin.
Yeah, let's open this. I'm curious.
However, they were in for quite a surprise, because inside the pumpkin were venomous animals, such as snakes, scorpions, and spiders.
Oh, what it is? Where is the jewelry? Why did I have these animals inside? Eee!
Oh, it hurts! Oh, Mom! What should we do, Mom? I also got bitten.
Let's run, Bawang Merah.
Their greed brought them into disaster. Fortunately, they could save themselves and apologized to Bawang Putih. Because of her kindness, she forgave her stepmother and Bawang Merah. Finally, they get along together and loving each other.